Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to delete Temu order history. So if you are looking for a way to delete your Temu order history or something like that, so what happens is that unfortunately, like most of the other e-commerce applications apps, Temu also doesn't really have the feature or offers the option to delete the order history, because this could be a reason, maybe because histories plays an important role in certain conditions. For example, when you make an order related complaint in the future or for reference and for safety purposes, so they don't really offer this option for you to do that. So unfortunately you can't really entirely delete your order history. So all you can delete at the moment is you can only delete your browsing history. So if you want to delete your browsing history, you can simply go to the U tab here and then click on browsing history, and then you can just select the item that you want to delete. So for example, click on the three dots there and then hit on delete. So that will clear your browsing history manually. So apart from that, there is no any other way that we can delete our order history. So hope this information is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.